I have a confession to make. To this day, I didn't buy one face mask. That's right, not one face mask. I used two cloth masks mainly, and a couple disposable ones that I got from here and there. So I used the two cloth masks from my ex, and yeah. Now I ordered 15 of them because they are cheap enough, and they are saying something about the new variant that goes through cloth masks and blah blah blah. Here we are. I ordered 15 and it cost me like 50 cents. Yeah, is that right? 15 pieces, 2.1 rounds. That is almost exactly 50 cents, maybe 51. Okay. So, and free shipping, of course. Yeah. So let's open it. I don't know what they will look like. This is the cheapest crap I could find. And I want to see if they are good enough for at least one use. They put it in a huge bag. Huge. And ta-da! Hey. This is not what I ordered. This is not what I ordered. I ordered 3 bags of 5. And they sent me 1 bag of 15. That's interesting logic. Maybe I wanted to give some to someone. To 3 people. 3 separate bags. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Whatever, I don't care. But they seem good enough. These bands are held on tight. Okay. Here, not so much, but yeah, kind of okay. And do they have that nose thing? No, yeah. This is just plastic, probably. It doesn't have the... Yeah. You can fold it to take the shape of your nose. Hey, this is actually great. Yeah. The best 50 cents I spent. Yeah. Okay. This is amazing. The technology has come so far to bring me these cheap masks. While at the beginning of the pandemic, if you wanted one mask, it was like $1. And if you wanted 50 of them, it was 30. Yeah, $30. And now they just throw them at you. Okay. I'm glad I waited to invest in masks.